Alright guys, so on to the next project on the 2500 HD here. Today we're going to be replacing the headlight bulbs with some LED ones. So the headlight bulbs are worn out. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. They're the old halogen ones. So we're going to get those replaced with some LED ones. So first things first, we got to pop the hood. Nice new hood latch release, works great. And this thing's pretty easy. I'm not sure if the plastic piece that goes right here covers this, but if it does, you're gonna want to remove it, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't. I think it cuts off right here. But this is a pretty easy design. You just pop these little metal rods out and pull straight up, and your headlight will come right on out. And once you do that, you shouldn't be dumb like me, but you should unplug your connectors and then worry about getting your bulbs out. Tighten that back down. Just pop the connector off here. Just gonna pry back on this very easily and then pull out. Same thing with this side. Pry up on the little tabs and then pull the connector off. And then you can pop your headlight up here and just pop your bulbs out. The old halogen bulbs, high and low beams. We are replacing both today. Same thing on passenger side. Pry these rods out. Make sure you don't lose them. Set them somewhere you're not gonna get messed up or anything. Don't run them over either. Pry the connector off. Probably shouldn't push them up against the grill like I was just doing. You don't want to scratch a grill. Now this is all work truck, so I'm not really worried about it. Then you can pull your halogen bulbs out here. It's kind of hard to film and do stuff with one hand, so you just gotta work with me here. Pop these bulbs out. Now if you got a nice set of headlights, you probably don't want to just be sitting them on anything random. You don't want to scratch or mess them up. But like I said, this is an old work truck. It's not really a big deal. But again, you don't want to mess up anything that isn't already messed up. You don't want to mess up anything. You want to keep your truck looking nice, even if it is a work truck. Alright, so get the LED things out here. This is a set. And this is a set. It goes on that side. So I'm gonna get, let's see here. I think this one goes in this side. So the, what is this, 905? This is 906. 906 goes in this side. It's a little loose fit. It's not tight like the factory halogen bulbs. Get that in there. That one's a little better, but this one's kind of loose, but no big deal. And then you're gonna want to just hook them up, hook your connectors back up, put your headlight back in, put the rods back in, and do the same thing on that side, and that's about it. I got both in, both back in. I didn't realize this, but I was curious, so I pulled this little foam block out, and it actually comes with a set of white gloves. How about that for handling? I don't know if it's for handling your old bulbs or for not scratching up your headlights or what. But if you were replacing it with your halogen bulbs, like if you were replacing just the halogen bulbs with other halogen bulbs, you do not want to touch the bulb with your bare hand, because your hand grease will get on the bulb or whatnot, and then once it heats up, it'll blow the light. So you don't want to or you don't want to touch the glass part of the bulb with your bare hands. So, but anywho, we got them hooked up. Let's see if they work. Go ahead and turn the lights on. Leave that open. Okay, we got headlights. We got low beams. Let's turn on the high beams here. And we got high beams. Cool. Now they do have a thing that you can do for for high mod, so like your low beams will stay on with your high beams. I need to look at this, make sure they're clocked right. I don't know if they're clocked right. Make sure your light's straight, otherwise it'll look weird. So yeah, just make sure your light's in there straight. But yeah, if y'all want to see a video on that, I might get that and do a video on it. So if y'all want to know how to do that, just let me know in comments below. But yeah, that's about it on this one. Lights, we got LED lights now. You can barely see the parking lights, so might replace those with LED next. But no, that's it. Be on to the next project.